Today, we're diving into YouTube optimization. You've put in the work, you've edited the video, and you've hit upload, but the game's not over yet. We're about to break down the top 10 things you need to do after you hit that upload button to make sure your video gets the attention it deserves. We're talking about boosting visibility, skyrocketing engagement, and just straight up winning on this platform. So if you're ready to level up your YouTube game, stick around, because things are about to get interesting. Alright, first things first, we're talking metadata. Metadata is the backbone of your video's discoverability. It's the unsung hero that works behind the scenes to ensure your content reaches the right audience. This is the stuff that tells YouTube and Google what your video is all about. Without proper metadata, your video might as well be invisible in the vast ocean of content out there. First up, the title. Think of this as your video's headline. It's the first thing people see, and it needs to grab their attention immediately. It's got to be catchy, it's got to be clickable, and it's got to accurately reflect what your video is about. A good title can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. Don't forget to sprinkle in those keywords that people are actually searching for. Keywords are the bridge between your content and your audience. They help your video appear in search results and suggested videos. Next, the description. This is your chance to go a little deeper. A well-crafted description not only informs viewers about the content of your video, but also helps with SEO. Give a detailed summary of your video, include relevant links to your social media, your website, maybe even some affiliate links if you're feeling it. This is also a great place to add a call to action, encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget timestamps. Breaking your video down into chapters with timestamps makes it way easier for viewers to navigate, especially if you're working with longer content. This can significantly improve viewer retention and satisfaction. Now, let's talk tags. These are like little signposts that tell YouTube what your video is about. Tags help categorize your video and make it easier for people to find it. Use a mix of broad and specific tags that are actually relevant to your content. Broad tags can help you reach a wider audience, while specific tags can attract viewers who are looking for exactly what you offer. Finally, the thumbnail. This is the first thing people see, so you want to make it pop. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your video's click-through rate. Use high-quality images, bold text, and colors that stand out. Your thumbnail should give a sneak peek into the content of your video and entice viewers to click. Think about it like this. Your thumbnail is the cover of your book. It's got to be enticing enough to make people want to open it up and see what's inside. A well-designed thumbnail can be the difference between a viewer clicking on your video or moving on to the next one. Okay, you've optimized the heck out of your video. Now it's time to get it seen. The moment you hit publish, blast that video out on all your social media platforms. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, wherever your audience hangs out, that's where you need to be. Don't be afraid to tailor your message for each platform. A tweet is going to hit different than an Instagram story, you feel me? Next up, email your subscribers. Let them know you've got some fresh content just for them. And if you've got a blog or a website, embed that video directly into a post. The more places your video lives, the more chances people have to find it. Engagement is key on YouTube, and it all starts with responding to comments. When you take the time to reply to your viewers, it creates a sense of connection and belonging. This simple act can turn casual viewers into loyal fans. Make time to chat with your viewers, answer their questions, and just generally be present in the comments section. This interaction not only boosts your engagement metrics, but also fosters a community where people feel heard and valued. It shows people that you're listening and that you care about what they have to say. A simple heart or thumbs up on a comment can go a long way in making someone's day. It's these small gestures that build a loyal and engaged audience. And hey, if you see a comment that's particularly insightful or helpful, pin it to the top. Pinning comments not only highlights valuable contributions, but also encourages others to leave thoughtful comments. It's a great way to highlight your community and encourage even more engagement. When people see their comments being recognized, they're more likely to participate actively. Don't forget to remind people to like, comment, and subscribe. These calls to action might seem basic, but they are incredibly effective in growing your channel. It sounds simple, but those little calls to action actually work. They serve as gentle reminders for your audience to engage with your content, which in turn helps your videos reach a wider audience. And speaking of engagement, don't sleep on the YouTube community tab. This feature is a goldmine for keeping your audience engaged between video uploads. Use polls, questions, and behind-the-scenes content to keep your audience engaged even when you're not dropping a full-blown video. These interactions keep your community active and invested in your channel. Chapter 4. Analytics, your secret weapon. YouTube Studio is your best friend when it comes to understanding how your videos are performing. It provides a treasure trove of data that can help you fine-tune your content strategy. We're talking watch time, audience retention, click-through rate, all that good stuff. These metrics are crucial for understanding what works and what doesn't. The more you understand these metrics, the better equipped you'll be to create content that people actually want to watch. For instance, if you notice a high click-through rate, it means your thumbnails and titles are doing a great job. Pay close attention to things like audience retention. This tells you how long viewers are sticking around and which parts of your video are most engaging. If you see people dropping off at a certain point in your video, maybe that section needs a little work. It could be that the content isn't engaging enough, or perhaps it's too long-winded. Or maybe your intro is too long and people are bouncing before the good stuff even starts. Shortening your intro could keep viewers hooked from the get-go. Analytics will tell you all of this and more, so don't be afraid to dive in and get your hands dirty. The insights you gain can be the difference between a video that flops and one that goes viral. Chapter 5. End screens and cards, keep them hooked. Alright, so your video is over. But the viewer's journey doesn't have to end there. End screens and cards are the perfect way to keep people engaged and guide them towards more of your awesome content. Use end screens to promote other videos, playlists, or even just encourage people to subscribe. Cards are a little more versatile. You can use them to link to related videos, external websites, or even add a call to action right in the middle of your video. The key here is to use them strategically. Don't just spam people with a million links. Think about what makes sense for your content and your audience. Title collaboration is king. Tap into new audiences. One of the best ways to grow your channel is to tap into new audiences, and collaborations are the perfect way to do just that. Reach out to other YouTubers or creators in your niche and see if there's a way you can work together. Maybe you do a guest appearance on their channel, or maybe you co-create a video together. The possibilities are endless. And don't forget about cross-promotion. If you're working with someone on a video, make sure you're both promoting it to your respective audiences. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Consistency is key. Stay on schedule. The YouTube algorithm loves consistency, so one of the best things you can do for your channel is to stick to a regular upload schedule. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily, find a cadence that works for you and stick to it as much as possible. This lets your audience know when to expect new content, and it also shows the algorithm that you're an active creator who's serious about their channel. Now, I know life happens, and sometimes you're gonna have to miss an upload or two, but for the most part, try to be as consistent as possible. Your channel will thank you for it. Chapter 8. SEO experiments, tweak and optimize. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making sure your videos show up in search results. It's a constantly evolving game, but there are a few things you can do to stay ahead of the curve. First, don't be afraid to experiment with your titles, descriptions, and even your thumbnails. See what's working, see what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. There are also some great tools out there like TubeBuddy and vidIQ that can help you with keyword research and other SEO tasks. These tools can give you valuable insights into what people are searching for and how you can optimize your content to rank higher in search results. Chapter 9. Beyond YouTube. Drive external traffic. YouTube is a powerful platform, but it's not the only game in town. Don't be afraid to promote your videos on other platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. Create short, attention-grabbing clips that will pique people's interest and make them want to head over to YouTube to watch the full video. Think of these snippets as trailers for your main event. You want to give people a taste of what you're offering without giving away the whole show. The goal here is to drive traffic from these other platforms back to your YouTube channel, so make sure you're including a clear call to action in your posts. Chapter 10. Never stop learning. Stay ahead of the game. The world of YouTube is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends, updates, and best practices. One of the best ways to do this is to engage with the YouTube community. Join forums, watch tutorials, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to create content that resonates with your audience and helps you achieve your YouTube goals. And hey, it's called the creator economy for a reason, right? So go out there, create some awesome content, and show the world what you're made of. And there you have it, folks. 10 actionable steps to optimize your YouTube videos after uploading. Remember, it's not just about hitting that upload button. It's about putting in the work to make sure your content gets seen by the right people. So, go out there, implement these tips, and watch your channel grow. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe for more awesome YouTube tips and tricks. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.